Our new Smart Blu light fixtures have been installed and they have been energized. And now we're opening up the Smart Blu app. The first thing we want to do is bring the new lights into our program. So we can do this by touching the plus sign or click to add. The program then searches out all the fixtures or the Smart Blu lights that are within the vicinity to see what's available, and it gives you a count. Right here it says 0 of 24 have been brought in. Now you may wish to see what lights are in the area. So perhaps you're in a space that has a wall where you have lights on both sides, but you only want to bring lights on in one of the areas. Well, you can touch them on and make sure that you are picking the ones you want by just touching the gray check mark, which will turn blue when you choose them. Now if you want to choose all the fixtures like we do, because there's 24 in our classroom, well, we just choose the all button and they all get highlighted. Notice that some are off. I have some that are on. That really doesn't matter. The program will bring them all in regardless of their position. We'll touch add. It takes approximately 15 seconds to pull all the lights and bring them into the program. So we'll wait while the wheel processes the lights, and you'll see the lights that were off will turn on and the other lights that were on will briefly flash to let you know that they've been brought into the program. If any lights fail to enter the program, simply repeat the process. Now we have the lights reconnecting. Once they've all reconnected, you can test whether they're the lights that you want by turning them off and on. Now, perhaps you chose lights that you didn't want to bring in. At this point, you could hit select and then delete the lights that you specifically didn't want to bring in. Or perhaps you just wanted to start all over again, in which case, we'll hit cancel. You go to the add section, but you choose the added tab. You can now choose the all button and then hit delete, which will now reverse the process and delete all of the lights that you had just brought into the program. And we are done. We are back to the beginning.